Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your OBS Studio app is not working, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to open Task Manager and terminate the OBS process before we restart it again. So we'll look for Task Manager in the search bar, click on it, and then we'll search for OBS Studio, click on it and click on End Task. And then restart OBS Studios, it should work. Just open the app up again. The next thing we can do if that doesn't work is we can run the OBS app in the administrator function. So right click on the OBS app, click on run as administrator, and then it should start working. If both these solutions do not work, then they will reset and repair the app. So for that, we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we need to click on apps, click on installed apps, and then we need to search for the OBS Studio. OBS, then click on the three buttons here, and then we will click on uninstall. If you are not able to repair and reset it, there's no, the modify is grayed out, so just uninstall it and then reinstall it by going to Windows Store and looking for OBS Studio app, and then click on get, and it should start working again when you open it. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.